All right, today I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm going to show you how to turn the hazard lights on and off in this particular Chevy Trailblazer. The hazard lights are sometimes called the flashers or the hazard flashers or just the flashers or just the hazards. Whatever you want to call them, I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Chevy Trailblazer, right? In order to turn on the hazard lights, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to look towards the center of the vehicle, and you'll see this button right here. It's a triangle within a triangle, and this is representation of the hazard lights or the hazard flashers. I'm going to go ahead and press this, and the hazard flashers turn on, just like that. You see that? The hazard flashers turn on. Now, indicated are the left and right turn signals are blinking. All right. In order to turn them off, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to take you through that process. But when this is on, the hazard is letting people around you know that, there's a hazard going on. I don't know, whatever it is. In order to turn it off, I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to find this button right here, and I am going to press this. And when I press that, you see that the hazard flashers, hazard lights, turn off. All right. And that is how you turn on and off the hazard flashers, hazard lights in this particular Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.